following counties in North Carolina: Allegheny, Ashe, Watauga, and Will, and Grayson, Virginia. Wind advisory in effect from 10 p.m. this evening to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. 1. West winds 15 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of northwest North Carolina and southwest Virginia, along the Blue Ridge and foothills. Wind from 10 p.m. this evening to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Impact: gusty winds could blow around some secured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Additional details: wind chill by Sunday morning will range from around 10 to the lower 40s. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Dress for cold weather if heading outside. Now for the National Weather Service forecast for the northwest mountains of North Carolina.